Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch between one app to another app for your mobile test automation using Appium. There are scenarios where we need to switch from one application to another, and then we need to perform some operations on one app, and then we need to switch back to another application. So let's see what we need to do to switch between the applications. To start with, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an object for the Appium option. After that, I'll set the capability for the object Appium options. The first capability is the device name. And I'm going to read that information from the configuration file where I have already provided these values. So I'm reading these details directly from there. Then the next capability is platform name. After that, another option will be the platform version. And then the last one will be the automation name. These are the basic capabilities or options which we need to provide to run the test on an Android device. I have given the automation name as UI Automator 2 because I'm going to run the test on an Android device. In case if you want to run it on an iOS device, then I need to provide the automation name as XUI test. So I have provided the minimum capabilities. Now I'm going to create an object for Android driver. And then here I'll pass the URL of the Appium server. Again, the information Appium URL is available in the config file. So I'm going to use that. And after that, here I'll pass the Appium options in the second argument, which we have initially created. So I have created the driver object. Now I'm going to start our first application. So for that, I'm going to use the startActivity method to start my first app. This startActivity method requires the app package name and the app activity name. These are the two mandatory values, others are the options. If you do not know how to find the app package and activity name, then I have already shared one video to get these details. I have given the video link in the description. You can check out that video to get the package and activity name. Now I'm going to open the calculator app on my mobile device. And the app package name for the calculator application is the com.oneplus.calculator. And then the app activity name. So this is the app package name, and then this is the app activity name. This method is going to start my application. And after that, what I want to do, let me put some wait so that we can see the executions clearly. Otherwise, it might be too fast to see the operations. Now I want to click on the calculator button to perform some operations. So I'm going to call the driver.findElement method. And then I'll search for the element by using the ID method. And I want to click on the button 5 in the calculator app. I have already stored the ID with me, and this is the ID for the button 5 for the calculator app. So I'll be clicking on the button 5 first, and then I'll be clicking on another button that is plus. For the plus button, the ID is, instead of digit 5, it is img_op_add. And after that, I'm going to click on the button 2. And the ID for that will be digit_2. Now let's say I'm done with the operation on one of my application, which is calculator, and now I want to switch to another application. For that, I can again call this startActivity method. And then here I can pass the app package and app activity name to which I want to switch. The another application which I'm going to open on the device is settings. And for device settings, the app package name will be this. And this is the app activity name. Again, let me put the wait for 2 seconds here. And then I'm going to click on one of the objects on setting screen. I'm going to click on the Wi-Fi option. And for that, I've already stored the XPath with me. This is the XPath. And then I'm going to click on the Wi-Fi object. Now let's say I want to again switch back to the previous application. And because both the applications are already running, so I can call the driver.activateApp method, where I can provide the app ID, which is the app package name. Then this method is going to activate the application. Now, I'm going to run the test. Let me open the device so that we can see the execution. You can see the test has started running. Soon, we'll see the actions on the device. First, the calculator application will open. We can see the app started and it performed the 5 plus 2 operation. Now you can see it started the device settings and here it clicked on the Wi-Fi option. After that, it is going to switch to the calculator app again. So this is how you can switch between different applications to perform the operations. I hope you like this video. Please put your comments in the comment box. Also, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.